It's a new year, new me, new body, new money. But we say that every year. This year, let's do the thing different. This year, we're not going to set goals. You hear me? No goals. We're not setting no goals because the research shows that by March, most people have abandoned these goals. You know what we're going to do? Because we're serious about building wealth. We are going to realize that money is just a tool. And the real talk is about building wealth. We're going to create habits. We're going to create a system and a process that will take us into wealth. Not just having money, because that's easy. What we need to build is wealth. If you want to learn the habits, the systems, the process of building wealth, come to the Wealth Bootcamp. It's going to be January 12 to 14. Sign up at profitjumpstarter.com/Wealth Bootcamp. Bring your money book. Take notes because this year is all about action. We're not just setting goals and leave them. We are about taking action, creating habits, systems, and processes that will lead us into wealth forever.